Replying to emails can feel like a hassle, especially with all of the nuance around when to use reply all, CC, BCC, direct reply, etc. Shortwave makes replying to emails straightforward with built-in audience awareness, so you always know who you're talking to. I'm Sophia, and today we're going to go over how to navigate specific messages in Shortwave and all of the different replies you can use.
Unlike traditional email, Shortwave defaults to replying to everyone on a thread, making it easy to keep groups on the same page. You can easily see who your message is going to based on the placeholder text in the compose box and the recipient count by the send button. To reply all to a thread, simply type a message and that's it. No extra clicks required since reply all is the default behavior here. Now, if you're the type of person that really likes inline replies, there's an easy way to do this without bearing your reply inside message history. Just highlight the previous message text that you want to respond to and quick quote it with this button or by pressing Q. Voila! Then type your response. If you want to archive this thread and clear it from your inbox after sending, you can hold Command-Shift-Enter to send your email and then mark it as done. Reply all is easy, but let's say you want to just reply directly to one person or to a subset of people on a thread. There are a few ways to do this. To reply directly to the latest message on a thread, use the reply menu in the compose box and then select the reply to option. If you want to reply to someone directly about an earlier message on the thread, hover over the message and then click the reply arrow next to it. From here, you can choose to reply to everyone on that particular message, or like before, use the reply menu and then select reply to. With these types of direct replies, what you're effectively doing is starting a side conversation. You can see with this indicator here that it shows you've branched off from the main thread, and clicking it lets you easily switch between the two conversations. You'll also notice this nifty little divider that says you're replying just to this person. This is more of that built-in audience awareness I mentioned before. Anytime the recipients on a thread change, Shortwave will show you the divider to let you know who has been added or removed from the conversation. You can also modify recipients yourself with this button, and even drag and drop people to other fields. Now, if the person you happen to be talking to is also on Shortwave, there are a few other reply features that help you collaborate more efficiently. The first is typing indicators. Just like in other chat apps, you can see when another person on Shortwave is responding to your email in real time. The second thing you can do with other Shortwavers is leave emoji reactions on their emails. Emoji reactions are great for quick acknowledgements and responses without actually having to send an email. Pretty cool. That's all I've got for replies today, but if you're still craving more Shortwave facts, hop on over to shortwave.com/docs to see our other guides and videos.